Hello there everyone, back with another video, part of my series on a visit to Canoe Creek State Park, and I wanted to just mention this is my 2010 Chevy Colorado that I brought with. I'm on vacation here with my family, and I just wanted to show you at this time right now. We left yesterday. It was about 140 miles from where I live to Canoe Creek State Park, and as you can see we have 177 miles on the odometer here since we left, roughly, and this has been a nice ride, good run for the vehicle. But this reminds me that I wanted to pass a short video on that preventative maintenance goes a long way. I purchased this vehicle brand new, and I paid cash for it. And you look here, it has 67,353 miles, and just about all the maintenance done on this truck was done by myself, with the exception of a computer and I can't think of the name, solenoid issue for the emissions on back at the fuel tank that my local dealership handled. But what I wanted to show was we had trouble-free miles, running 70 mile an hour on the interstate. You know, just to talk about a few things. You want to, check your oil, check your tranny fluid, check your coolant, check all your fluids, make sure they're all topped off. I even bring a, extra coolant with me, a spare radiator cap, anything that's simple on the road, even though I do have insurance if I do break down when I'm this far away from home, because I couldn't imagine the cost of that tow bill. But just, wanted to remind those that I'd stress on it, doing preventative maintenance on your vehicles. It helps, on a long trip like this. I cleaned the vehicle up. I mean, it don't look like it because of the weather we ran into, but it's just a good reminder. You want to check all your air in your tires. Do a good round trip, besides when you're changing oil and doing preventative maintenance on your vehicle. It's always a good idea to check your vehicle out before you go on a long trip. And even going as far as your spare tire, even though there's some vehicles out there that don't have them. So, just thought I'd pass that quick tip on here. This video is almost 3 minutes long. It's a little bit too long as it is, but just part of my video here at Canoe Creek State Park. I want to just pass this on to you. But thank you for watching. This is GMAC. Like, subscribe, and as I always, keep on wrenching.